fulfilling its court-ordered community service. It's the talk of Las Vegas.
Hey, this is Johnny with the talk of Las Vegas. You kidding me? Look where we are today, down here at the home office, and just showing you, gonna do a little demo here. This brand new TV system that we have going on the Nuclius Ursa. And look at this, we can do it. This is all coming off my TV screen on my computer. So if you're looking to do TV on your computer and you want local channels and all that kind of stuff, well, you got no choice. You gotta give us a call here at the cutthecable.now.com. So this is what we got going on here. It's like a little demo of what the TV we can channel up, channel down, channel in between. So this is what we got going. This is live TV. This is Fox News live TV. We got local channels. We got all sorts of cool stuff with this thing. Here are my favorites right down here. These are the ones that I picked out. Well, all the channels, they're going to have hundreds and hundreds of channels on this eventually. But I picked out like 18 favorite channels that I watch on a regular basis. And that's all I really need. Okay, you got your local channels here. I'm here down here in the Las Vegas area. So here we got our local channels here. Where you are, you would get your local channels. But look, channel 8. This is channel 8. Live TV right here, and right there on my computer, and you also have it on my TV using the Ursa Nuclius device. It plugs into the back of your TV, and look where we can pause the TV. We've got the previous, we've got the full guide, not the fall guide, well it is fall. So we load this in and say, oh, what do we got here? We got all these different channels, and here's the pretty cool thing is we've got the catch-up TV. That's not they're going to put catch-up on your TV. So you say, oh, let's see, last night, oh, I missed a late night with Seth. Well, you don't have to record it because what it does is it automatically records all the channels. Yeah, all the channels are recorded at once. And so all you have to do is click on it, and look, here's Seth. There you go. You want to pause Seth? You can pause Seth. Look at that. You can pause Seth. You can start Seth later on. You can stop Seth. Whatever you want to do. Right there on the Nuclius Ursa. So we want to go to continue live TV. So we go back to the live TV. Here's News 3 live TV. Let's check this out. And it's on my computer. And it's also going to be on my big flat screen TV. As long as you got the HDMIs going on, you got the TV right here, and it's not on the cable, and it's not on the dish, it's on the Wi-Fi. Absolutely Wi-Fi. So wherever you go, if you've got the Wi-Fi, guess what? You've got the TV. You got the TV, you got the Facebook, you got the HULUs, you got the Netflix, you've got all the different apps you can imagine, all on the Nuclius Ursa. Are you kidding me? And you get, let's check this out, 150 channels for $34.99 a month. $34.99 a month. I was paying Cox Cable like well over $100, and like I say, I got 18 channels that I watch. I'm paying over $100 for 18 channels. Are you kidding me? No, then we're not going to do that anymore. So now what? We got the Nuclius Ursa. You got everything that you need. You got the local channels, right? What else do you need besides the local channels? Well, let's see. The channel list. We got the channel list. You got the news. You want news right down here. Fox, Bloomberg, C-SPAN, and no fake news on the CNN yet. We got the family stuff. Disney, Nick, Hallmark, Lifetime, oh my God, look at all the entertainment. We got everything that you need here for your entertainment, right? You got the sports. What else do you? The NFL Network, huh? NFL Network. Good Morning Football. You wake up, you turn it on, NFL football. wherever you have the Wi-Fi. Wherever you have the Wi-Fi, you got the TV. I mean, hello, okay? Now, and there's so many things. Okay, I got the full guide. Maybe get back to that again. I mean, come on. You got no excuse. You got no excuse. It might take you a little while to figure out everything, but man, once you figure it out, I mean, what else are you going to do? What else? Are you going to go back to spending $100 a month on cable TV when you watch 18 different channels? And you know what? Here's the best part. Is Cox Cable or is the Dish or any of these guys, are they going to pay you to tell other people about what you got going on? They're not going to do that. They're not going to do that. But with this, the Nuclius Ursa, they will pay you to tell other people how cool this is. I mean, look at this. How cool is this? You get everything you need, $34.99 a month. Are you kidding me? And then if you want more, you can subscribe to more. You got more. They're going to have hundreds, thousands of channels going on. So if you're in Bulgaria, you'll be able to tune into Bulgaria. If you're in Australia, Australia. Wherever you go, you'll be able to, oh, nice neck tattoo. Anyway, you'll be able to do all this stuff on the Nuclius Ursa and so much more. Just so much more. And it's with the Wi-Fi. So wherever you go, if you go camping, yeah, take it. If you get the Wi-Fi, plug it into the camper. Okay? If you go to the restaurant, you say, oh, I want to watch TV at the restaurant, plug it in, the Wi-Fi, and they go, whoa. So anyway, if you want to tell people about this, you know, you probably don't know anybody that is already paying $100 a month for cable or the Dish or the other one, the Direct TV. You probably don't know anybody using any of those services paying over $100 a month. So you might as well forget it. You know, oh wait, you do know somebody that's paying over $100 a month for cable TV, and they're probably locked into some sort of contract? Well, with this, with the Nuclius Ursa, there is no contract. There is no contract. Just go as you go, month to month, wherever you want. But see, I mean, it doesn't get much better than this with the Nuclius Ursa. So come on down, pick up the phone, give us a call. Call, click, or come on by to cutthecablenow.com. What are you waiting for? Cutthecablenow.com or ditch the dish.com. We're probably better off with the cutthecablenow.com. That's easier. Just go to cutthecablenow.com and check it out and see how you can get paid for watching TV and get the best TV around. I mean, come on. Seriously. You got no excuse. So pick up the phone, give us a call. And this is Johnny with the talk of Las Vegas. Okay, that's a wrap.